Outsourcing software development is a great way to decrease costs and get access to developers with relevant experience for your project. However, it's easy to make mistakes with outsourcing, waste money, and receive a poor quality product. How to avoid these risks? We'll share our vision as a software development partner for industry leaders. We're Jelvix, and you're on our channel. Weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. So let's get straight to the point. The first widespread mistake is related to a lack of transparency between you and the developer's team. Many projects have failed because of misconnections between the company and its outsourcers. And to be fair, developing such communication ties can be challenging, since your development team may work in another building or even country and have different time zones. To avoid the problem of lack of transparency, our developers at Jelvix recommend looking for a professional outsourcing team right away. Note how quickly they can understand your ideas and explain theirs. Can they detect potential problems at the start and offer solutions, and so on. But it can be much better if you, in your turn, will encourage the engineering team to keep a transparent approach and to give you insights on the project regularly, so that if any mishaps do occur, you'd at least know about them. Alright, let's move on. The second unpleasant situation may occur in billing. So what's that about? Of course, you calculate a certain budget for your project, and a good service provider will immediately offer you several models and calculate the best kind of cooperation. And after approval, they'll make you a comprehensive proposal. But sometimes there is confusion or oversight on both sides, and the billing doesn't go according to plan. The final amount may come out more than intended, and that's not what you wanted, is it? So to avoid such cases and save yourself money and nerves, you should follow some simple advice. Be careful when drawing up a contract with outsourcers, and make sure that your side and their side understand the billing process similarly. Now we've come to the third problem, familiar to most of us. We're talking about constant delays. You gotta agree that nothing spoils the impression of employees like not meeting deadlines. But in outsourcing, this problem takes on a more severe form. After all, the success of an entire project does depend on the team's ability to meet deadlines. We at Jelvix got rid of such situations a long time ago, and we're ready to give you some worthwhile advice. Set up a schedule for outsourcers in advance and implement a system for monitoring work and reporting on key milestones. This will help keep your team on track, and you'll be aware of any delays and their causes. Your part of the job is also important. Look at how your company processes work. Perhaps their optimization will help to communicate with outsourcers and make their work easier. Failure to maintain code quality is our fourth horseman of apocalypse. Imagine your company adheres to certain rules and regulations throughout its work. You're proud of every line of your code. It's optimized, and it works like clockwork. Looks nice. And then outsourcers come in and do things their own way, developing blatantly bad code. It seems to be working, and there's nothing to punish them for. So what do you do in this situation? First of all, remember our first advice. It's better to immediately select highly skilled developers with specific knowledge in the right area. But even they may not fully understand your expectations. So this is where the project manager comes in. The duties of this person from your side should include constant quality control of the work. Let them explain to outsourcers what result you want to see, and in the end, you'll get an excellent outcome. The fifth moment you may drop the ball is security and privacy. Let's imagine that you're developing a healthcare app. This is a serious field where every mistake can be costly, and suddenly, you find out that your client's data has been leaked. We asked our colleagues at Jelvix how to keep yourself safe from this. First, pay attention to the information on the service provider's website. Companies often display industry certifications, such as ISO 9001, for review. Their presence literally indicates that the developer complies with the necessary safety standards. Second, pay due attention to drafting an NDA to secure confidential information, and be sure to document all code written. Now, young Padawans, you're ready for all the possible outsourcing troubles, and your project should go smoothly. But wait, how do you plan this project? We answered this question in our video about the project discovery phase. We recommend it for watching. Also, support us by liking this video and leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Bye for now.